How to delete your registered email on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the emoji icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon and go to account. Now tap on email. Now click on send verification code. Now paste your code here. Now tap on next. Now enter your new email and tap on change email. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.